Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today let's make some thick gravy chicken curry which is perfect to dip in your chapatis and parathas. So delicious. Let's see how to make it. First let's make a marination paste for the chicken. So take some fried onions with some ginger and garlic, cashew nuts, almonds, mint leaves, some coriander leaves and 1 green chili. If you want more spicy, add 2 more. Make it into a very fine paste. Now take some chicken, add some spices like coriander powder, pepper powder, garam masala, cumin powder and some cardamom powder. Add that into the chicken with some yogurt and the blended green masala with some salt and mix it with the chicken really well. Coat it nicely, keep it aside for 1 to 2 hours. Now into a pan add some oil, some cumin seeds, cardamom, cloves and a cinnamon stick. Saute it for some time. Then add the marinated chicken. Give it a mix and then add some water into the bowl which the chicken was marinated. Then add it into the chicken. In this way you will not waste any marination. Mix it nicely, close the lid and cook the chicken. Once the chicken is well cooked, add some fresh cream, bring it to boil and that's it. A delicious chicken curry is ready. It's a perfect combination with the Kerala paratha and any type of chapatis. So definitely try out this recipe. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Hit the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.